I am the one who makes the tea. I am the one who pours the tea. I am the one who passes the tea. You are the one that drinks the tea. I am the type of person that sits home alone on a Friday night, scrolling through her Tumblr dash, drinking tea until she passes out from relaxation. You are the type of person that comes home after a party at 6 a.m. And I am the type that nods from behind a computer screen as you walk out the door 30 seconds later. You are the type of person that can just sit down and teach yourself how to speak Chinese in 2 weeks. I am the type that wants to learn 50 things at once and then gives up if they take longer than 2 minutes. You are the type of person that can create a small car using only 1 roll of duct tape, 2 packs of toothpicks, a rusty fork and a tampon. I am the type that tries to fix a lamp using a hammer. You can be so sarcastically dry that people don't know if you're being funny or being an asshole. I am the one that jumps onto your train of thought that is guaranteed to drive us both straight to hell or jail. You are the boy I'm just realizing has become a man. You're the man that can hurt me the most without even trying. You are the man that doesn't understand why I'm crying. You are the person I am the most afraid of losing. Because we are the type of people who don't talk. We are the type of people who don't touch. We are the type of people who will rather praise the other to someone else in the hope that maybe they will pass on the message. We can sit together in the same room for hours, only exchanging the words hello and good night. We are the ones that will never say, I love you. Even though we want to, we don't know how to, so what can I do? I wish I knew, because all I want to do is look at you and say, I fucking love you! But I can't. So we replace I've missed you with hello, I care about you with good night, and I love you with do you want some tea? So I pass the tea. You ask for the milk, I pass that too. I fill your cup, you don't look up, but you still say thank you. And to me, that's enough.